My bachelorette is this weekend, so the time has come for me to try on all the outfits I've been planning in the Index app for months. Day one, I am working remotely for a half day, running last minute errands, and then checking into the Umstead Hotel in Cary, North Carolina to start the weekend. This is my first outfit idea for this. I already owned all of these pieces except for the mini boat tote. Got these for all of the girls on my bachelorette. Something about this just felt off. I couldn't put my finger on it in the moment, but I think it has something to do with the fit of this t-shirt paired with the fit of this skirt, and maybe all these whites aren't giving monochromatic in the way I'd hoped and are appearing more mismatched. Next, I tried another outfit I already owned and have worn before. I tried it with both the boat tote and my new Coach Curve Zip bag re-edition in chalk. I don't have a problem with this outfit, but it wasn't feeling right in the moment, so I moved on to my night one outfit, hoping for a win. Night one, we are having the main going out to bars downtown night. I bought this famous Abercrombie & Fitch beaded mini dress off of Depop, and while it technically fits, I don't love the shape on me. I need to be able to wear a good bra, and none of them work with the cut of this dress, so I must wear a jacket with it, and in my opinion, the shape is just not as flattering on my body. I also realized during this styling session that I hate the shoes I am trying it on with. They were backup, cheap wedding shoes that I bought to see if it was really necessary to spend more money on wedding shoes, and then I missed the return window on them. There were bows on the back that I cut off, but unfortunately that didn't save them. I tried every possible shoe I own, hoping to save the outfit, but I wasn't feeling great in it overall, no matter what I did. So I went back to an idea that I had for the Bachelorette over a year ago. White lace tights, white satin mini dress, and the before mentioned heels. I got this pepper mayo dress on Poshmark, but never got it altered to fit me properly. Trying to come up with ways to solve this with the stitchy, but at the end of the day, this was just bad as well. At this point, I decided I was not going to wear white because wearing something I love is more important. I tried on this pink set that I love, but TikTok hated last time I showed it, with the white tights combo just for fun, but I did not like that. So I swapped it for bare legs and tall boots. Tried these brown heels and realized that I don't like where these sit on me either, and then landed on the more comfortable tall boot option. At this point in time, I was convinced this is what I was wearing on night one. So I moved on to day two, a wine and design painting event. This is another outfit I have owned, worn before, and love. This shirt I also got engaged in, and it's one of my favorites, so at least that was a little nod to the celebration of the weekend. Night two, we don't have anything in particular planned, but in case I need another semi-nice outfit for dinner or going out, I'm planning to bring this white Anthropologie top that I saw in store for $110 just weeks before we got engaged and loved but didn't buy. And then I ended up finding it on Depop for just $10 a few months ago. I paired this with jeans I already own and love, and Vince white flats I got on Depop back in the fall as a second shoe option for my wedding, but have worn a ton since purchase. Both of these outfits feel like me and were huge wins in the moment of trying on my outfits the night before. Day three, Zinc Winery in Durham. I fell in love with this with jean dress when I saw it on someone else on TikTok, and I found it on Poshmark for only $60. But again, this one technically fits, and I do think that the shape on me could be decent if it was one size up. This white Abercrombie dress I bought on Poshmark after we got engaged and wore it to pick out my wedding dress. I love how it looks on me, and I do love it with this cardigan, which I may need depending on the weather, but I have a dress currently at the tailor's that I'm picking up tomorrow and may want to wear instead. So back to trying to figure out my day one, work from home, errand, check-in outfit. I tried on the first look again, but with different shoes in case that was what was throwing me off, and I still don't love it. I swapped the skirt with the cargo barrel pants that I wear all the time, and this was feeling a little more me, but then I remembered that I have this white top that my future sister-in-law and maid of honor who planned this amazing weekend bought for me for Christmas. It fits me perfectly, and this is going to be one of the first weekends it will be warm enough to wear it. I tried it with white linen shorts, but landed on these brown flowy pants instead. Friday after work, before checking in, I decided to go to Vestique in Fenton, next to one of my favorite restaurants, Doc B's. You must get the buffalo chicken salad. It is the best thing. And tried on nearly everything white they had in the store. It was buy two, get two free, so once I had landed on this ivory sequin mini skirt and found a pair of shoes I wanted, I eventually found a non-bridal mini dress for my honeymoon as well. Back to the Bachelorette outfits. Here is the dress I had tailored and officially landed on wearing for the winery, and here is my night one main going out bridal outfit. This feels so right and so me. These are the shoes I ended up getting at Vestique, and I love them because they are barely there, short heels, very similar to the clear heels I used to wear all the time, but they don't feel as trendy. This tank is another favorite vintage silk cami I got on Poshmark around a year ago, and this Banana Republic leather jacket I thrifted a few years ago and wear all the time. For my arrival outfit, I ended up swapping into the new heels.